Hello, we're looking at Engage, the York St John Learning Analytics System to support the tutorial process. It takes data from various systems and produces an engagement rating for each student. It allows records from tutorial interactions to be kept and will signpost other university services. Login is via engage.yorksj.ac.uk. Engage shares a login with Office 365 and Moodle, so you may already find yourself logged in. When you log in, you'll be taken to a dashboard showing a summary of all the students you have access to. The number of students you have access to will vary depending on your role. If you have tutees, then you'll have a My Tutees button to change all the data to reflect the students you directly supervise. Engagement scores are calculated daily and range from high through partial down to none. Other features of the system include a record of interactions during the tutorial process and alerts that tutors receive using rules based on engagement scores. In the My Students section, students can be searched for by name and filtered using the various characteristics on the left. To look at the particular details for a student, you can click on their record. You can see monthly attendance and engagement and the current engagement, and a graph showing recent engagement. Extra information such as cohort averages can be shown, and different time periods can be monitored. Below there is a percentage breakdown of the different amounts of time that students spend in different categories of engagement. The profile information includes information such as courses and the tutor's name. The Interactions tab shows that student's record of tutorial meetings and other interactions. Attendance is taken from the York St John attendance system. Resources show engagement with systems such as Moodle, and assessments are taken from eVision to give an overview of those. The Interactions tab shows information for all the students where the tutor has created an interaction. It can also be filtered just to show your own tutees. By clicking on the interaction, you may be able to edit it, delete it, or complete it to close that record. Interactions can be created from the student's record or via the Create Interaction button. There are some mandatory categories, including notes of the meeting and the type of meeting. There are optional sections for action for the student to take, how long the meeting was, target dates for completion, and whether you as the tutor would like a reminder of the target. You can get help in signposting to other services. These are in the form of a URL for you to click on and book through the service's usual booking system. If the record is complete, you should mark it as such, or you can leave it open to come back to later. The Engage system will also send out emails to tutors based on engagement scores. You can create exemptions for those. For instance, if a student was on a study break, where you can put a reason and set some dates. The system will carry on recording during that time, but no alerts will come to you. If you need further help with the Engage system, please check out the FAQs on the intranet or talk to your Engage champion. More help is available on our website, along with details of how to book tutorial sessions and times for our drop-in clinic.